Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
So we're getting dressed for Kingston Kitchen, and today's outfit is courtesy of Amazon. So yeah, I got this set from Amazon. It consists of this charcoal pants and it's flared at the legs, giving a little palazzo vibe. And it is paired with this boat neck top, and it's super lightweight, perfect for the summer, perfect for the festival, because as you know, it's definitely going to be hot, so I did not want to wear any sleeves, and this just came in perfect. So let's throw her on and see how we can style her for the festival. So this is what it's giving, very playful, very chill. Absolutely love the pockets on these. I went ahead and I undid my hair. It's definitely giving curly and cute. For jewelry, I'm just wearing my simple little dainty watch, a couple rings, my teardrop earrings, and I'm gonna pair it with this purse. It has like hints of brown to match my sandals. You know, I can't help but wear it crossbody. I think it's very millennial of me. So this is the fit, guys. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to come back for part 3 where we hit up the festival, and that vlog promises to be a whole vibe. We're gonna eat down the place non-stop, so yeah, catch you then.